Understanding the Casa volunteer's role in court. As a Casa volunteer, you are not an attorney or a social worker, but you provide a unique child-focused perspective to the court. Your role includes observing the child's home, school, and social environment, providing fact-based reports on the child's well-being, making recommendations that serve the child's best interest. Judges, attorneys, and caseworkers rely on Casa reports to make informed decisions. Your observations provide an independent voice that helps clarify what is best for the child. Chapter 2. How to prepare for a court hearing. Preparation is key to effective advocacy. Before attending a hearing, you should 1. Review your case notes and reports. Go over your Casa report carefully to refresh your memory. Review any previous court orders to understand what has been decided so far. Make a timeline of significant events in the child's life. 2. Communicate with key people. Speak with the child's social worker, attorney, or therapist to gather any new updates. If appropriate, talk to the child to understand their current needs and feelings. 3. Anticipate questions from the judge or attorneys. Be ready to answer. What is the child's current living situation like? How does the child feel about their placement? Are there any concerns regarding visitation or custody? Having clear, fact-based responses will strengthen your credibility. Chapter 3. Best practices for speaking in court. When it's time to speak in court, your delivery matters. Here's how to present yourself professionally. 1. Speak clearly and confidently. Take a deep breath before answering. Speak at a steady pace. Don't rush. If you don't understand a question, politely ask for clarification. 2. Stick to facts, not opinions. Avoid emotional statements like, "I just feel like the mother isn't a good parent." Instead, state, "During my last 3 visits, the mother missed 2 scheduled meetings with the child and has not complied with the parenting class requirement." 3. Be neutral and respectful. Never take sides between parents or other parties. Maintain professionalism, even if emotions run high in the courtroom. Chapter 4. How to respond to questions from attorneys and judges. Courtrooms can be intimidating, but remember, you are the expert on the child's day-to-day well-being. Here's how to handle questioning effectively. 1. When answering a judge's question, judges want concise, fact-based answers. Example, if a judge asks, "What is your recommendation for visitation?" a strong response would be, "The child has expressed distress after overnight visits with their father. Based on my observations, I recommend supervised daytime visits for now." 2. When answering an attorney's question, attorneys may ask leading questions to challenge your observations. If an attorney asks, "Isn't it true that the mother has improved and no longer needs supervision?" you can respond factually. "The mother has made progress by attending parenting classes, but during my last visit, the child expressed fear about overnight stays." Thus 3. When you don't know the answer, never guess or speculate. If you don't know, say, "I don't have that information at this time, but I can follow up." Chapter 5. What to do after the hearing. After the court hearing, follow these steps to ensure continued advocacy. 1. Write a summary of the court's decision. Document any new court orders regarding custody, visitation, or services. Note the next hearing date and any deadlines for submitting new reports. 2. Follow up with the child and caregivers. Meet with the child to explain the court's decision in age-appropriate language.